welcome back to my channel. I am Sammy Jayne, also known as IdleGirl. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really do hope that you're having an amazing week and I hope you're feeling super good, and yeah, thanks for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy it and do make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Come and join my family. I'd like to say I'm not always this crazy, but that would be a lie. And I do not lie to you guys at all. So anyway, let's get into this video. I finally had a little bash at doing marble nails, not with acrylic, but with Sharpie pens. Actually, I say Sharpie, I used Sharpie, one of them was a Sharpie, the other one was just a regular permanent marker. I think you can just use any permanent marker to do this. I loved doing this. I found it very therapeutic and I can feel myself wanting to do a lot more marbling. I just loved it, and I do really like the look of marble as well. So anyway, without too much chattering on, let's get into the video and see how I got on with the Sharpie marble. So these nails that I'm doing this marble on are just dual forms and they have the shiny coat on top just from the forms. I'm just using acetone, as you can see there, and permanent markers. I don't think you have to use Sharpies for this, but obviously that's what most people do use. Now all you need to do is make sure that you've got a nice shiny top coat, and I think this will work. Most people would do this over the top of like a gel polish because that's shiny, but I just did this over the forms because they were all so shiny. So I've just taken the marker and scribbled on the nail basically, and now I'm taking a really nice thin nail art brush and dipping it into some acetone that I've put in a dapping dish, and I'm just using that to kind of, obviously it kind of melts the permanent marker slightly and it makes it all go runny, and this is the effect that you get. I think there's no real well, I'm not really using any specific technique, but basically just, I don't know, blend it all about, move your brush about and see what kind of pattern you can get. I'm really sorry that the quality of this footage is kind of poopy, guys. I'm so annoyed, like, all you can see is my flipping hand for most of it, but yeah, I guess you can kind of see a bit there. I think you can get the gist of how to do this though, and I think it's a really good technique. I think it worked really well, and I definitely think there's a lot more playing about for me to do. So I've just got a red permanent marker there. I'm just showing you that to show you that it's not actually a Sharpie. The black one that I used was an actual Sharpie black marker, and then this is just a red permanent marker. I don't even think it's got a brand at all. So yeah, it does work with this. I think it works just as well. I think that, yeah, if I were you, I would just try it out with a few different things and see what you think. But I'm basically just doing the same thing on this nail. I'm just getting the acetone and swishing it about with my brush. adding a few more little bits there because I wanted a bit more red to it. It was a little bit too pale, so I just added a little bit more, and I think it worked really well. I really do like this technique, and I want to try out some like different designs using it, so definitely hold on for those videos because they're coming, guys, they're coming. So I think this next nail now is my favourite one. I decided to use both colours for this. Obviously, I mean, you don't have to use a white background. You could have used a pink background and then use the black marker, so you'd have had like a black and pink and what have you. But what I decided to do is take the red and the black marker on this one and just see what that looked like. And this I definitely think was my favourite one of the lot. I do like the way that it turned out, and it's basically just the exact same technique. Taking the acetone on the brush and just swishing it about a bit. It's totally up to you whether you want to get big blobs of acetone or just little bits of acetone. It just really adds to the effect. It kind of makes it go all like bubbly, and parts of it go white and then parts of it go darker, and it's just awesome. I will just say with this nail though, I didn't really realise beforehand, but I don't know if you can see at the top, but because I'd filed the cuticle slightly and I didn't obviously put like a clear top coat or anything on this, the bit where I'd filed the cuticle at the top, well, not the cuticle but the cuticle area, the bit where I'd filed that at the top had, like, where you put the marker, you couldn't remove the marker, if that makes sense, so it kind of just stayed there. But it doesn't ruin the look of this at all, and obviously normally you will probably do this over, I think, a gel top coat. So I didn't really have a specific design for like a full set, so I thought, what the heck, I'll just do another one in red and just see what it looks like. I think this is a really cute effect. It's so simple. You could definitely do this on a client, and yeah, I'm just really pleased with the outcome, I guess. I hope you guys like it. What do you think? Leave me comments down below and let me know what you're thinking. So this is the finished result on all nails. Like I say, I think the mixture of red and black is my favourite, but I definitely want to try out some more different things with this. But yeah, this is just the end result. And that's the end of this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you've tried the like permanent marker. I mean, I call it the Sharpie marble. Sharpie marble? The Sharpie marble, because a lot of people say it like Sharpies. But basically it's just a permanent marker. and you're marbling it. Let me know what you think, guys, of my marbling. Let me know if you've got any tips on how, like, I could improve. Have I done something wrong? Have I done it right? Like, if you guys are used to it, then let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought, and I will see you in the next video, guys. I love you.